Begin to walk slowly. Feel the ground beneath your feet, soft, steady, grounding you with every step. Sunlight filters through the branches above, creating warm patterns of light and shadow, gently touching your skin. You are safe here. You are calm. You are exactly where you need to be. As you walk, you notice a gentle stream ahead. The sound of flowing water draws you closer, step by step, until you reach it. The water is crystal clear, moving softly over smooth stones, reflecting the sky like a mirror. Sit beside the stream. Take another deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let the sound of the water wash away your thoughts, like leaves drifting downstream. No stress, no tension, only peace. Time slows down here. The world feels quieter, simpler. You dip your fingers into the water. It's cool, refreshing, alive. And as the water flows, it carries away anything you no longer need. Any worries, any doubts, any weight you've been holding. Just let it go. Now look around you again. The trees stand strong and steady, rooted deeply into the earth. And just like them, you are grounded. You are resilient. You are part of something greater. Feel that connection. The wind brushing softly against your face, the scent of earth and leaves, the gentle rhythm of life all around you. Everything is in harmony, and so are you. Now slowly lie back on the soft grass. Look up at the sky, wide, open, infinite. Clouds drift slowly. No rush, no urgency. Just moving, freely. Let your thoughts be like those clouds, drifting, passing, without holding on to them. Just observing, just being. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your entire body sink deeper into relaxation. Your shoulders soften, your jaw releases, your mind becomes still. You are calm, you are light, you are free. Stay here for a moment, in this perfect stillness, in this quiet connection with nature, where everything simply exists, without effort, without pressure, just peace. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale slowly, exhale softly. Feel your body again, rested, restored, renewed. And when you're ready, begin to return, carrying this calm with you, this peace, this balance, because it's always within you, always accessible, just one breath away. Now slowly open your eyes and come back, feeling lighter, calmer, and at ease.